Hi viewers, this is Sai Krishna. You are watching Tech by Kitu. In this video, I discussing about the Vivo FunTouch OS 10 and Android 10 update on Vivo Z1X. Recently, I got the update on Vivo Z1X mobile. So let's see what features including in this update.
Before watching the video, please do subscribe our channel. See the update details. Actually, the update file size is 3.3 gigabytes.
In this update, actually they mentioned we get Android 10 and FunTouch OS 10 update. They including the features in the update description: Jovi, Smart Scene and Calculator, Dynamic Effects, Compass. Let's see the update is done or not in my About Phone section. Now I am go to About Phone section, then click on model number is Vivo 1917. Clearly it's Vivo Z1X model number. Okay, Vivo ROM FunTouch OS 10 Android version is upgradable to Android 10. Okay, now see clearly my mobile is upgraded to Android 10.
Okay guys, now we check the features in FunTouch OS 10. See what features including in this update. Mainly in FunTouch OS 10, Dynamic Effects feature is highlighted. So now we check the Dynamic Effects feature. For the Dynamic Effects feature, now click on the settings option and scroll down. Actually, now see the Dynamic Effects icon. Okay, click on the Dynamic Effects icon. Now see the 7 effects we have Dynamic Effects. Firstly, we check Ambient Light Effect. This Ambient Light Effect shows the light effect to the corners of the display, like you see the red color light corner. Okay, this light effect appears when you get any calls or notification from WhatsApp, any messages, any calls, you get this effect. We have 6 type of ambient light effects actually. Now we apply one by one how it looks. Now you observe my mobile corners. Actually it looks like the shining line is appear like this. These ambient light effects lines, you can customize the colors also. You can click on the color option and change the color how it looks like. The preview is awesome. Actually the feature is awesome. You use 2 different colors for the one ambient light effect. This ambient light effect is awesome guys. If you get this update, please check this feature once. You change the light effect transparency also. Okay, you can change this by the increasing or decreasing the value. You can change the width also of the light effect by decreasing the and increasing the value of the line. Now you see the preview guys. It's awesome feature actually in this FunTouch OS 10. Guys, I hope you all like this feature.
The next feature is unlock and enter home screen animation. In this feature, when you unlock your smartphone, the home screen appear like this. In this feature, we have 4 animation effects. Now see the animations. The next awesome feature is fingerprint recognition animation. In this feature, we have 6 effects actually. In this feature, when you unlock your phone by using the in-display fingerprint, when you touch the screen, the effect is appear like this. In this FunTouch OS 9 also we have these features, but in the FunTouch OS 10 we have more 6 animation effects. Now see the preview of the animations. The next feature is facial recognition animation. In this feature, when you unlock your smartphone by using the face unlock, this animation is appear on your screen. In this feature we have 5 animations. Now you see the preview of these animations. The next effect is charging animation. By using this feature, when you plug it in the charging cable to your smartphone, you will get this animation on your screen. In this feature we have 5 animation effects. Actually Vivo Z1 Pro also having this feature. Now you see the preview of these animation effects. Actually in the FunTouch OS 10, the Vivo changes the total interface user experience. We have more animations, so don't skip the video. The next awesome animation in the Dynamic Effects, Insert USB animation. By using this feature, when you connect the smartphone to your PC by using the USB cable, you will get these animations on your screen. In this feature we have 3 animation effects. See the preview of these animations. The next feature is screen on or off animation. By using this feature, when your screen turn on or off, the animation appear like this. In this feature we have 3 animations. The next feature is Jovi Smart. For the Jovi Smart scene, you can drag the notification bar and click on the right corner icon. Let's see, we have some more options in the Jovi Smart scene. In the Jovi Smart scene, we have 2 features: Screen Timer and Sports Mode.
This sports mode will work like a smart band. It records the total calories burned, total distance we walked, like that. The next feature we have digital well-being and parent control. This feature in the settings section. By using this feature, we know how much we use the smartphone in daily. This feature calculates the time, how much time we use the smartphone and how much time we use the applications like YouTube, any application this app calculates. By using this feature, you can control using the smartphone timing and bed timing, also night mode also. In this feature we have one more option also, the parent control mode. By using this feature, you hide the data from your children's. We have one more feature in the calculator section also, exchange money rate. By using this feature, you can convert your money into other countries' monies. In this feature we have all countries' currency and currency change, currency rate updated by the internet. Hope you all like this video. Please do subscribe our channel for more videos and please share with your family and friends. Thanks for watching.